Oh, you idiot. You.
Vai, Pingo. Do you have to cook your nuggets? Did you get your... Aww, so cute.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature? Very mindful, very demure.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ya. Mira, ahí viene el menso a calmarte. Cálmalo, menso. Cálmalo.
Your thing is funny.
Okay. Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, Clark, you want to do it?
Христос воскрес! Ходи, собачку покропили тебе. Христос воскрес! Дивись на мене! Христос!
Hey, little boy, you're not see. Get up, Diesel. Get your ass out there.
Per Louisiana fashion, it's pouring down rain.
Get him, Copper. Get him, Copper.
Did you just find a full-blown? You did. You found a full-blown turkey sandwich on the rack. It's still got the turkey in it.
What's this? Oh shit, this is fucking cool. Whoa, holy shit.
Hi. Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Are you so happy to see them? Hi, Mommy. Hi. Hi, Shayu baby. Hi. How are you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
What do we do now, Sheriff?
Now, we ride.
You wouldn't like it. It's medicine. It's medicine. Get away. It's not good for you. It's medicine.
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month, or?
Love, Mom. I love.
This is my crash out right here. Hey, Milo, get her. Go get her. Get her. My young crash out.
even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. You're freaking perfect.
How do you feel about your hair? Stop. Stop. Your hair.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back to me. I said no, Pecan.
No, no, no.
Is it your birthday? Oh my God, happy birthday!
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Alright, see you later. Don't charge my dad.
Oh my goodness, you and your sister.
Go bed?
Okay, TikTok shop got me again with these dog toys. I never would have guessed that a tortilla that made noise would be his favorite thing to play with, but here we are.
Boo!
Where to? Where are you gonna take us?
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad.
Betty! Betty! Betty, come on! Bet!
Go.
Get it.
Fun.
Go.
That's mommy's friend. Fudge.
Would you like to sit on the desk instead? Because we can't be playing this game. No. Why don't you sort the whole...
Sit. Good boy, Vaka. Sit, Bart. Oh, good boy.
I just have one quick question before we go in. Do you like coming here? You do. Is this your favorite place? You know, most dogs are like the veterinarian.
I know, Mama. Leave her.
Así duerme alguien que no tiene ninguna preocupación en la vida, no tiene que ir a la escuela, no tiene que ir al colegio, no tiene que ir a la universidad, no tiene que trabajar, no tiene horarios, lo único que le interesa es que cuando se despierte, ese plato de comida esté...
Prince, we're trying to do... Prince, we're trying to do a TikTok. Behave. Oh my God.
What'd you do?
Oh my God. Don't. Come on, can we sing to him, please? Sing to him. Birthday to you.
I'm a psycho. Danger! Danger!
Ow! God damn it!
Oh my God.
I know you was gonna do that. You just bit my hand. Is that? I mean, are you? What's the deal, man? What are you? Why are you doing this? What is? I mean, you look really serious about it too.
I'm not like other dogs. I'm not very demure. I'm not even mindful. I cause my mom...
It's just a snowman. Come in. Nala. Hey, it's a snowman.
Oh my gosh, is that your daughter? How many months is she? We're trying everything we can. Look at those ears. He's licking his foot too much and it's getting infected, isn't it?
It's not even doing it yet, dummy. Oh. Sorry.
puede imitar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi misma mano! ¡Con mi misma mano!
Pues es que me dices.
¡No, con mi misma mano! Culera.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Good boy.
Hey guys, you wanna go scaring? You wanna go scaring? Okay.
With a lot of people that were down there at the conference, and she did it in front of all these people. Later that day,
It's not a laxative. It's a laxative. It's proven to help you have more frequent and complete bowel movements and helps relieve overall abdominal symptoms.
No more.
Give me my shoe. Walt, give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. Walt, give me my shoe. I'm sorry. No, 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 no. Why?
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who...
Why are you so weird?
I feel like he's like a toddler. Weston's
Yum, yum.
Oh, jak pije! I'm a psycho. Danger!
Olha o tamanho da fuça. Olha essa fuça, Carol.
I'm never gonna get them in. You guys, you gotta come back in.
Yes, he is. He's listening. You're listening, Frankie. Eh? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Got your little bitch ass.
Michonne, leave it. Leave it. Why do you hate it so much, baby? No.
You be all in my face. Go. Back up. For real. You just be doing dumb out.
Pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici! Pickpocket! para caminar o en la alberca?
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who sits on the 50th try.